Hello, my planner friends. Today we are going to talk about 5 reasons why you may want to switch from a paper planner to a digital planner. If you're new here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I am the owner of 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and stickers for Christian women. Okay, so let's get started. Our number one reason I should say, that you may want to switch from paper planning to digital planning would be to save on paper. You may be wanting to be conscious about how much paper is being wasted by having a new planner every year. Sometimes our planners can get kind of big. If you're like me, you like a lot of things in your planners. So my planners, I'll just show you one. This is one of the last ones that I did, and as you can see, it's pretty big. I created my own planners because I wanted them to be a certain layout, a certain way, and it's big, it's bulky. That's part of number 2. Also, you're getting rid of the bulk. So between saving on paper and the bulk of this, not only, if you're like me, you like a million different things to track, or you have a different things for my planners, not only was it a daily page, a monthly page, but I liked my budget in there. I liked writing scriptures. I liked my time of God. So I had not only just a regular planner, but I had a prayer journal. I had a business planner. I had all these. This is just one of them. So yeah, the bulk. So for me, my biggest reason for starting to digital plan was because I wanted everything. My prayer life, my personal life, my business life, my budgeting, sometimes recipes, anything that I could possibly have. I like to write. I like to have things all organized. So it just got to the point where it was just overwhelming with the amount of paper and things like that. And when you have a digital planner, it can all be on one device, one small device compared to this big heavy thing. So the bulk of it is a big reason as well. I mean, carrying this around was not very easy, but I'm always got my iPad with me, and it's easy. So that way I can have, one thing about GoodNotes is you can have several different sections open at the same time. So say I wanted my planner, it's not gonna, maybe it'll go like that. I want my planner open. I want my business planner open. I want, inside my planner, I have where you can tap the prayer spot, and it takes me to a prayer journal. And then I can easily go back and forth between my things. So just being able to have everything in one small device is so much easier for me. I can, like I said, take this anywhere. Whenever I leave the house, it goes with me. Where it's with this big bulky guy, it usually just stayed on my desk. And a lot of times I forgot stuff. It's just the honest truth. But this, I always know what's going on in my life. It just makes it so much easier. Not only if you're a decorator, do you like to decorate your daily pages, your planner monthly pages, your weekly pages? So not only do you have the big bulky planner, you've got all the pens, you've got all the stickers, you've got everything. With digital planning, you have an iPad or an Android device or whatever device, and a stylus. You do need a annotation app. A lot of people use GoodNotes, Note Shelf. There's things like that you can use. So you do have to have an iPad or a device of some sort, a stylus, and then an annotation app. I keep saying nap. And so that's all you need. The bulk drastically goes away. So, like my story, if you want everything, this makes it so much easier. Because I really wanted, my time with God in my planners. I wanted a daily page, a monthly page. I don't use weeklies as much, but you may. But I wanted, my checkbook registry is in there. My prayers for people are in here. My business, I have 2 businesses, and they're in here. Just everything the bulk of everything. I love my iPad. Can you tell? Okay, so that's 2. So we're less on paper, we're less on bulk. But not only all that, it saves you money, especially if you like to decorate your planners. You can really rack up some money with the pens and stickers and all those things. And you can, and the planners. With a paper planner, you can only use it one time. With a digital planner, some digital planners are like dated, like mine are, where you just use them once. Others are called undated planners, and you can use them over and over again. Any sticker that you have, you can use multiple times. Your pens come already preloaded in your annotation app. So those are just a few ways you can save. There's also other ways. Most digital planner creators have a free planner that you can try out. So that way you can try out their style if you like their style of way that they digital plan. Myself included. I'll leave the link below, but it's 3nailfaith.com/scripture, and that will give you a free scripture, a free digital planner, and then also the scripture writing bundle. So if you like to write digital, if you like to write out your like a verse of the day, that's what that part is. So that's that. I'll leave that link below. But also some digital planners like I do, or my business, has an everything bundle. And that is an amazing savings, because what that is in my particular bundle, I have an everything digital planner bundle, and you pay one price and you get everything that's currently in the shop and everything that will be in the shop for digital planning. So that means you'll get a new digital planner every year. Anytime I add new stickers, which I try to add at least one digital sticker pack a month. Sometimes more, depending on what's going on that month. But there's already thousands of stickers in that digital planner bundle. So, yeah, so I'll leave that link below too. So for one price, you can get everything in my shop, which is an amazing bundle. And I did that because God just really laid it on my heart to give back to my community and give back to my Christian fellow women, my women that are just in my groups. So I really want to invite you in if you're a Christian and love digital planning like I do. So that link will be below too for you. So we've gone through 3. We have save on paper, the bulk, and save money. There's also another one that used to really drive me bonkers. If I made a mistake in my planner or my schedule changed, what happens? You got that cross out, or you got the line through it, or just it's not. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, working on that. Anyway, so for digital planning, all you have to do is what there's called a lasso, and you just circle around whatever your plan is that didn't happen, and you want to move it to the next day. So easy peasy, just lasso it, copy and paste it to the next day. So you don't have that scratch out mess anymore. You can also easily plan. If you say you put something in one part of your planner, but you really want it in another part of the page, again, just lasso, copy, and stick it in the other part. So it makes your planning pages a lot cleaner, I guess is the right word, cleaner, yeah. So there's that. And then the last one is, let's say you bought a planner, but you don't exactly love how it's all laid out. Maybe you want something, this part over here or this part over here. You can, again, use that lasso tool and copy parts of the planner. There's tips and tricks to do that. I can leave I have some videos on my channel to show you how to do that. I'll leave that below too for you. But there's you can just, to be able to customize your planners to just exactly what you want is just an amazing benefit, because with a paper planner, you are stuck with what the creator made, how it's made. It's not as easy to change and make it just the way you want it. And that's one of the amazing benefits of digital planning. So if this is something that you liked or you want to learn more about digital planning, I have several videos on my channel. Go ahead and check them out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, so that way you can learn all about digital planning if you're new. If you're not new, just give me a thumbs up saying hey, or leave a comment below if you have any questions or anything like that. And again, I'll leave the free planner and the everything bundle below for you. And I just hope you have a wonderfully blessed day.